As I said before, we have 7 minerals: calcium, potassium, sodium, chlorine, magnesium, sulfur, and phosphorus. Let's go over each mineral and discuss its benefits, its sources, and many other things. Calcium is the most abundant mineral in the body, up to 1.2 kg of body weight. It is 99% in the skeleton and ensures its rigidity, the 1% in free ionized form, and it participates in neuromuscular excitability, nerve conduction, muscle contraction, blood clotting, development of bones, teeth, nerves, muscles, and heart. Too much of calcium can lead to hypercalciuria, urolithiasis, nephrocalcinosis, and at the digestive level, a decrease in the absorption of certain minerals such as magnesium, zinc, and iron. When it comes to deficiencies, we can assist to insufficient bone mass, convulsion, arrhythmia, and osteoporosis. An insufficient calcium intake combined with excess phosphoruses can cause hyperparathyroidism and lead to loss of bone mass. In older women, a lack of calcium combined with a decrease in the hormone estrogen can lead to osteoporosis. When it comes to sources, we find it in milk, cheese, yogurt, calcium-enriched milk-free drinks, tofu prepared with calcium, canned sardine, and salmon edges. When it comes to potassium, it is the mineral best represented in the cell, where it regulates the movement of water and plays a role in the transmission of nervous current and muscle contraction. Potassium, therefore, allows the action of nerve and muscle tissue, the normal functioning of heart tissue, and the secretion of stomach acid. Potassium deficiency affects the neuromuscular system and can go as far as paralysis and arrhythmia. Correct potassium intake lowers blood pressure in hypertensive. Deficiency, on the other hand, increases blood pressure. Potassium found in bananas, papaya, sweet potato, dark green and leafy vegetables, avocado, plum juice, tomato, orange, milk, yogurts, dried beans, chickpeas, lentils, beef, pork, fish, nuts, and seeds such as pumpkin, flax, and sunflower. Sodium is indispensable for the conduction of nerve impulses and an essential factor in hydroelectric balance. Its absorption is stimulated by glucose and amino acids in the digestive tract. A severe restriction causes impairment of the functions of the nervous system or even growth retardation in children. Muscle exercise can cause significant sodium losses. Chlorine is linked to sodium in its role in regulating osmotic pressure and maintains body hydration. There are no deleterious effects from chlorine overload. However, a lack can lead to vomiting, diarrhea, and muscle cramps. When it comes to magnesium, it is present in almost all the cells of our organism and is involved in more than 350 enzymatic reactions in the stabilization membrane and the muscular and nervous response. Its major role resides in the regulation of the transmission of the nerve impulse in the nervous system and in all the organs where it projects. Magnesium participates in the fixation of calcium in the bones. 25% is used by the muscles, where it regulates muscle contraction. The rest of magnesium is distributed in the brain, the heart, the liver, and the kidneys. It ensures energy production for our cells and nervous regulation and stress management. Role in the prevention of cardiovascular risks, diabetes, and memory impairment. When it comes to sources, it is found in spinach, chard, cereal and wheat germs, dried beans, dried peas and lentils, black beans, white beans, chickpeas, nuts, and seeds such as pumpkin, sunflower, and flax. The body doesn't have magnesium reserves. It should be given daily. A varied and balanced diet should be enough to cover our daily magnesium needs. When it comes to sulfur, it is a very important mineral for the body. It is used to synthesize two essential amino acids, methionine and cysteine. It is mainly found stored in bones, nails, and hair and participates in the health of integuments, which are hair and nails. Sulfur is also very effective in disinfecting and fighting skin disorders and treat skin disorders. allows the synthesis of essential amino acids found in meat products and used in the composition of repellents used in organic farming. Sulfur found in kidneys, liver, pork, chicken, lamb, salmon, shrimp, shellfish, oysters, cooked egg yolk, garlic, onion, cabbage, lentils, chickpeas, cashew, sesame seeds, pistachio, and pecan. Few scientific studies on sulfur deficiency. It has been reported growth retardation in the hair and nails for people experiencing sulfur deficiency. In the human organism, phosphorus is present in cells where it supports energy. Adenosine triphosphate. Phosphorus is part of the composition of ATP and ADP, certain lipids such as lecithin, and is a constituent of DNA molecules. In excess of dietary phosphorus triggers hyperphosphatemia, also called temporary hyperphosphotemia, which inhibits the synthesis of vitamin D. When it comes to phosphorus sources, it is found in soft drinks. Those rich in phosphoric acid have about 20 mg of phosphorus in 100 ml. Also, it is found in bacon, lamb brain, calf liver, cheese, whole milk powder, sardine, salmon, carp, cuttlefish, date, cashew, Brazil nut, pistachio, coconut, soy germ, and bran wheat.